Alright guys, today the downpipes go on.
Go kaboom!
We're gonna cool this thing down. The downpipes are in the trunk, dude. I got catted downpipes though. I got high flow ones, bro. 500 cell, they said. 500 cell.
You're lying, right?
Dude, yeah. No, these are catted. They're good, they're good. They're 500 cell, they said on the box. They said they won't trigger check engine light.
Oh, sweet.
Suck up water through it. It was so high flow.
Good. Are you ready?
Oh yeah,
I don't
dude.
think you can handle the power.
Dude, probably not.
I don't think you can handle the truth. 60 to 130, what are you expecting on E50?
On E50, 60 to 130, I'll say 6.9. 6.99. I gotta drain my tank a little bit. I think I got too much 91 in there right now. Are these what got you state ref?
Why are you exposing me? Yes, what got me state ref.
Professional jacker right here, dude.
So you get jacked.
He actually got 3rd place in the professional jack off.
Yeah, so I go. Alright.
Is this for the dyno pool we're about to do?
Yep.
Hell yeah. My shit's about to be so loud, huh?
No.
No?
Not without the mid-pipe.
Not without the mid-pipe? Alright.
The mid-pipe weighs everything up.
Yeah. I gotta order one. I'm gonna order a mid-pipe and the flex fuel sensor. Gotta have good friends, guys. Kevin just informed me that these are the wrong downpipes.
Yeah, those are for an F80. So
these are for an F80, but he said he's gonna make them work anyway.
I'm gonna try to bend them, get them to work, so.
He's such a good mechanic, guys. Don't let people be taking advantage of you at shops, bro.
Yeah, I used the metal stretcher and the pipe bender, and
yeah, dude. Even though these are the wrong ones, Kevin still got my back, bro. If a shop's real, they'll be able to do that too. Damn, it's packed under here.
It's not that bad.
All kinds of stuff going on. Check out Kevin's elbow pad, dude. Kevin got white elbow pads on. So what are we disconnecting up here?
The O2 sensors?
Damn, dude.
So hot down here, I can't touch anything.
Want me to blow on it? But why did you got a downpipe now? You got a downpipe?
We have one coming out right now.
Bro, why is that thing so fat?
Feel how hot it is.
Old color, check it out. What do you guys like better, the blue or the green? Kevin the man. X-Drive, Schmex-Drive, he said.
And here comes the other downpipe.
Fuck.
Time to swap the O2 sensors. See the difference in the shape and the design?
No.
That's because these are for the S55s.
Oh.
These are for the S58.
I'm colorblind. How many gloves have you used? Glove number 10?
Well, I just ripped that one, so
11.
I was yanking the downpipe trying to get it out. It was like making the turbo move too.
So now I have.
So I think that the turbo manifold studs, they might be bent.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to replace those.
All right.
That's gonna cost probably like $800.
Okay, I just left my wallet on the table. Go ahead.
That's fine. Alright.
Damn, that was hella fast.
We're done.
World record downpipe install. So, do I start it up now?
Yeah.
All right.
What's gonna break? Is it way louder?
Yeah, it's way louder. Tailgate open. Dude, I got a freaking massive code, bro. I got a crazy code on the dash.
What?
Yeah.
What?
It says tailgate open, it's a code red. Fuck, hood open, bro. I don't even know what that even means.
It means you're from the hood.
Bro, does it really?
Warmed up now, right?
Oh, I can smell that shit now already. You gonna smell it?
Start revving it. Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, dude.
Alright guys, downpipes are installed. It's about to back out.
Stage 9 OTS 91 map, black.
Stop! Look at him. About to back into the tow truck. You were this close. We're gonna turn them up. We gotta turn them up.
Alright, I know I said I was gonna turn the burbles up. My phone just died. I'm glad that I didn't do a flash when my phone was like super low battery, so I'm gonna put it on the charger for a little bit. Hopefully it turns on soon, but I might just wait on the burbles for now. Kevin said 6130 right now.
Yeah. want it to pop for?
I think this is good, actually.
Good thing we're not on the street.
Yeah.
We're at the track.
Yeah, this is
in Mexico.
Mexico track. Burn Tijuana.
The ricochet noise.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely feel it.
You're gonna burn through some gas quick, huh?
Hell yeah. Tomorrow we're running some E-blends tomorrow for sure. I'll hit you up. What's up, guys? My name is Jake Schneider.
Cop right here.
Oh shit, bro.
Oh, you got scared.
M1 mode.
Perfect.
This dirty guy, bro.
That's how we.
I'm about to go get this detailed now.
It's a visual glitch, alright? It's just a visual glitch.
Boom, it's the next day. I didn't burn hardly anything. I got about like 70%. I was gonna burn more on the way here, but the sheriff followed me like damn near the whole way. Just.
But you're impatient, so now we're pumping E30.
We're gonna do E30. Bro, if I don't do E30, I'll never do it. Like if I don't do it right now, I'm never gonna have E30. Because once I do E50, there's no going back.
It's gonna be 4.5 gallons of E85.
Let me just double check my percentage. All right, 66% tank. Bro, this is the first time I've ever pumped E in a car in my entire life.
And you're doing it wrong.
Does it smell different? How am I doing it wrong?
No, I'm just playing. Yeah, it smells way different. Especially at the exhaust.
Yeah. Oh, dude, we're gonna have 30.001.
We'll pray for the car.
All right, then the rest 91?
Rest 91. Dumbass. Steering wheel looks sick though. I'll give you that.
Yeah, dude, LCI, baby.
There's no fun without it.
Hold your breath, bro. Get a start. And then we can't move.
Don't move. Don't make noise. Nothing.
BF3 says not to even blink, fart, breathe until the map's over. Good. Okay, yeah, it's good now. Bro, what the? I'm glad I have
way
extra.
faster.
I'm so glad I have extra, bro. Alright guys, it's time for low tank. About to go fill up with E50 now. What's in the tank right now?
Oh, you think it's E29?
I don't know, maybe. What if we got it wrong?
Nah.
I think it's exact. You think it's exact E30?
It's either E29 or E30 exact.
Alright, if we put E29 as the current fuel, or should we just put E30?
Just E30.
Alright. 801 on the dot, dude, I'm telling you.
01 on the dot or what?
Bro, I could get .001 if I had to. No. Alright, let me slow down a little bit. Oh, wait, no, I'm still good. That's 8.002. If I can get it to 0.1.
All right, let's see try. Let's see try.
Let's go, baby.
Don't look at it too close, or it's not perfect. I gotta.
Carbon though, bro. Carbon never fits good. The car don't start ever again.
Then you're.
How long does it take for E to mix? Like E50 blend, how long will this take?
Depends on how big your tank is, but for you, probably like a few miles.
A few miles, okay.
Alright, we'll go straight, and then there's some roads up here.
He's like, didn't even put E60 in, bro. God damn, bro, this hopping's different.
About my life.
It's alright.
You know how to do launch control?